Hello, I'm Spongy, and today I'll be reviewing the Heckler Koch M23 airsoft pistol, single shot. So I took it out of the box. It came with an instruction manual, as you would expect, and some 0.24 round BB pellets. And it also has a silencer. It doesn't do anything, it's just a mock silencer. So now I'll get the gun out. This is the gun. It's a very big gun, quite stiff to cock. But this is how you attach the silencer. Oh yeah, and it's got a safety here. You can't pull the trigger when it's on. It has a working trigger here. So all you do to attach it is just screw it on. And that's that onto the gun. Okay, now I'll go onto the magazine. On here there's a button there and also on the other side, but you don't have to press both, you can just press any once to release the magazine. It's a very heavy magazine, mostly metal. It's very easy to load because you just, in that little hole, you just push in loads of BB pellets. Let's do that now. I'll just put one more in. These are the ones that came with because they're high quality. Yeah, this holds about 25 rounds. So it has a FPS, or for those who don't know, feet per second, of 230 with 0.12s. and 0.24 is 190. This is from about 10 feet away.